Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn phonic letter sound. Okay, so let's start. But I'm not going to start with A, B, C, D. I will start with S, A, T, I, P, N. You know why? You will get to know soon. So, first letter is letter S. Sound and action. S, s, s. Remember, we'll do all the action 3 times. Letter A. A. Letter T. T, t, t. Letter I. E. Letter E. P. Letter N. So, dear friends, do you know there are 2 special friends in this group? Now you will get to know why we have learned from letter S. So, I have a magic box in my hand. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. Tell me who is special in this group. So, letter A, and letter I, E. So, after learning only these 6 letter sound, your child will be able to read 2 and 3 letter words together. Even he can blend letters. Look, so first one is A. As. Next, at. So, tell me the next vowel in this row. Yes, letter I, and the sound E. Let's make friends. Is. Now, it. In. Ip. And you know, now your child can make 3 letter friends too. Let's make. First letter is consonant P. Vowel A. Again consonant T. Bat. I'm going to change first consonant. Sat. Now let's change again. Tan. So, you know these words are called as CVC words. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So, these words are also called as CVC words because we have vowel in the middle. So, beginning sound is T, middle sound is A, and the last sound is T and Tan. Now, let's make some friends with next vowel. The second vowel in this group is E. T, tin, tip. And the last word I'm going to make sits. So friends, see many words your child can make after only learning first group of this phonics. Now let's start with second group. C, as you can see, C and K are together in this group. You know why? Because they both letters have same sound. Letter C says k. Only action is different, sound is same. Letter C says k. Castanets k. And letter K says k. Kite says k. Next letter is letter E, sound and action. See my lips? Eh, eh, eh. Next letter is letter H. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Letter R. R, r, r. R, r, r. Letter M. Letter D. D, d, d. Play drum. D, d, d. So, can you find out who is special in this group? Yes, come on. Correct. Special friend in this group is letter E. Eh, eh, eh. Let's make two letter friends. Eh, d, ed. Eh, m. Eh, p, ep. Eh, d, it. Now let's make three letter friends. H, p, et, pet. CVC word. Consonant, vowel, consonant. P, et, pet. M, et, met. S, et, set. Yes, very good. And now the third group is G, O, U, L, F, P. Now sound and action. Letter G says G, 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 gurgling of water. G, G, G. Letter O says O, 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 O. Letter U says Let's open an umbrella. Letter L says licking a lollipop. Letter F says and letter B says bat and ball. Now you have to find out who is special in this group. Yes, come on. You're right. Letter O. O. So he is a special friend in this group. Now let's make two letter friends. O, G, og. O, G, og. O, D, odd. O, D, odd. O, D, odd. O, D, odd. Next. O, n, on. O, n, on. O, p, op. O, p, op. Now let's make three letter friends. M, op, mop. M, op, mop. Yes. Now K, O, K, O, T, cot. K, O, T, cot. Now I'm going to change the beginning sound. Beginning letter sound. I'm going to change P, O, T, pot. P, O, T, pot. Again beginning sound change. H, O, T, hot. H, O, T, hot. Yes. So this was the third group and now I'm going to show you the fourth group. Now this is the last group of phonic sounds. The first letter is J. J, J, J. Sound and action. J, J, J. Next letter V. V, V, V. See my lips? V, V, V. Now W. They both have similar sound, but you just have to see my lips how I am doing. Letter W. W, W, W. Remember for letter V, 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 V. And for letter W, 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 W. Next letter is letter X. X, 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 X. Letter Y. Y, Y, Y. Y, Y, Y. And the last letter Z. Sound in action. Z, Z, Z. Though here we don't have any vowel, but we can make three letter words with these letters. So let's make J, A, jam. J, am, jam. V, V, A, van. V and van. Now with W, 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 eh. And the ending sound of this word is t. To wet. To wet. Next letter y. A. Yam. Yam. F. O. X. Fox. Fox. Remember, x sound always come at the end. Fox. And last word with letter Z. Zip. I hope you like this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.